there, and higher caste enjoy many opportunities, is it we are seeing in the daily life, and people belonging to the so-called lower caste are they are not getting the actual rights. It may be education, it may be an employment, it may be a civil basic rights of the people to live in the society. So even the economical differences, that is the income of the people, is also going to differ, and there is a difference between the rich and the poor. All those things are occurring due to the diversity. The first one is history. When we consider the history, how this history will tells us the cause for the diversity, how the people made these differences, how the people life made difference from one person to another person, is when usually people likes to travel, is it so in the previous, in the ancient period, the people used to travel from one country to another country in search of food or the land or the shelter, or as an habit of traveling, or even for the business purposes, for the job. Like these are the reasons why they used to travel. During this travel, some will be going to settle at the one place, and some will settle at the another place. When they settled, they should adjust to the that particular place. For example, if you are living in German and if you are travel to India, and when you settle in India, you should adjust to the Indian customs, tradition, habits, food style, everything in the same that country practices, and like new customs and culture. For example, when the Muslim rulers came to India and they settled in India, they not only adjust out of they practice and they came to know about our Indian culture, but even they also implemented their culture, their food style, their dressing style into Indian people. So they brought their culture into our Indian country, and they introduced their language, that is Persian language, into our India. So these gave the rise of new language called Urdu. What do we call, children? Urdu. So people, when they travel from one country to another in search of job or a business purposes, they used to settle in different countries. These made the people to learn new language and adopt new custom and adjust to the new practices which they follow in that country, or which they are in the existing country. So they, by this the people, they adopt to the existing one place culture, as well as they introduce their culture as well. So it is we can call it as amalgamate. So they combine their culture along with the other culture with which they learn. This is about the history. So children, now coming to the next point. As I said, there are certain reasons for the diversity. One is history, geography, occupational, language, religion, physical characteristics. Among that, we saw how the history will is going to become the reason for the diversity. Now, next coming to the geography. Here, the geography is nothing but earth, related to the earth, or the physical features of the earth is how it is going to help in knowing about the, or in becoming diversity among the people. The earth consists of different landforms, is it? Different region is covered by different landforms. Like we have certain places have mountain region, some places are covered with Deccan Plateau, some are having the plains, and some part are covered with the coastal parts, coastal region. So mountain, desert, fertile plains, plateaus, coastal areas. So children, what these landforms makes people to grow, have different crops according to the different seasons which are going to occur in these places. They wear different clothes, different food habits, different lifestyle. This keeps changing from season to season. This makes people diversity, or the different from one region to another region. So these geographical differences influences in based on the climatic of that climatic condition and the weather of that place, and which leads the people to have changes in their food habits, dress, customs, and culture. So all these changes occurs due to the climatic changes of the region or from one place to another place. These makes people to become or we can see the diversity. The people who are wearing the costume in the Jammu Kashmir will not be worn by the in the state of Karnataka. Is it? This is one differences which we can see how the diversity is being seen. Is it different state? Let me take an India as an example. If you consider in India only, different states will have different food habits, different religion, different culture, different dressing styles, and even the worshipping and even the religion which they practice. Is it? This is India is the one best example for the concept of diversity, we can say. For example, as I said, people in coastal region of India will have seafood because it is the natural basic food which they get easily with the people who are living in the coastal region. So students, when we consider desert, they eat breads made up of the millet flour. So each region will have different food habits and different lifestyle. It is going to be changes because of the geographical reason. And even the people wear light and cotton clothes throughout the year in the southern part, and while the people in the north India wear clothes according to the seasons. Is it? So children, to understand better, I will be showing the related pictures for you to better understand the diversity concept. Okay, now the next point is occupation. The job which the people are doing is going to be differ. So this is also one of the reason for the diversity which we can see among the people. People will adopt different types of jobs and work based on the season as well as the based on the religion and the custom and even the which the ancestors they were following. All these regions might be the cause for the diversity in occupation. So all of us will have variety of occupation depend upon the geographical features as well. For example, people who are living in the coastal region is the best example. They practice fishing because fish is the easily available thing for them to uh, sell the fish for the and they easily earn the income. While the people who are staying in the plain land, fertile land, they adopt agriculture, and some of the persons will go for the business, and some will go for the export, and some will have the some own business, and some will have the family like giant family. They carry businesses from ancestors to sons, sons to grandson. Likewise, the same business will be carried out throughout the family. So all those things we can see. So occupation is also going to differ from family to family, person to person, and individual to individual, and even from different region to region, because the crop which because of the land, one is the geography, one is the occupation and the history. All these are made reasons for the people to have diversity. So in today's class we learnt, children, basically we will be seeing the differences in every each and every matter from person to person, region to region, and country to country, because of the main is geographical features and the people's religion customs which they follow, and important is physical features of the earth makes people to follow and adopt these differences in their life. So children, please complete the worksheet as and it's given, and further we'll be discussing in the live session, and thank you.